Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang response ng Palasyo o Malacanang tungkol sa ibinulgar yung kampo ni dating Pangulong President Duterte na yung pinirmahang 2025 national budget invalid or defective dahil maraming blank yung mga amounts nakablangko. So, viral na yun sa social media, pinag-uusapan. Bakit pinabayaan ng mga blank pages yung mga amount? So, ito ang response ng Palasyo. Post ito ngayon ng Philippine Star. 2 minutes ago, kapopost lang. Such fake news is outrightly malicious. So, fake news daw yung aligasyon ng kampo ni PRRD. Basahin ko Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin denied on Monday that Philippine Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. signed the 2025 national budget with certain parts of the enactment purposely left blank. The peddling of such fake news is outrightly malicious and should be condemned as criminal. No page of the 2025 national budget was left unturned before the President signed it into law. Yun ang pahayag ng Palasyo. The statement comes after former President Rodrigo Duterte alleged irregularities in the national budget. The former president and his cohorts should know better that the GAA could not contain blank items. Okay? So, basahin ko na lang yung exact statement from the Office of the Executive Secretary. Some quarters are a statement from the Office of the Executive Secretary. Some quarters, including a former president, have maliciously peddled fake news about President Marcos having signed the GAA of 2025 with certain parts of the enactment purposely left blank to enable the administration to simply fill in the amounts like in a blank check. The peddling of such fake news is outrightly malicious and should be condemned as criminal. No page of the 2025 national budget was left unturned before the President signed it into law. All 4,057 pages of the two thick volumes, which were printed in fine point with nearly 60 lines on each page, were exhaustively reviewed by hundreds of professional staff from Congress and the Department of Budget and Management. This meticulous line-by-line scrutiny is a pre-enactment check performed by dedicated civil servants to ensure that the GAA contained no single discrepancy in the amounts being appropriated. It is impossible for any funding items to be left blank as alleged by misinformed and malicious sources. It is the true facts and the printed figures appearing in the GAA easily debunk the malicious claims of deliberate blanks being left for filling in. Anyone who conducts the same rigorous examination of the 2025 national budget, which the public can view on the DBM website, will come to the same conclusion that there is no program, activity, or project at all with blank appropriations in that carefully vetted law. The former president and his cohorts should know better that the GAA could not contain blank items. Lucas P. Bersamin, Executive Secretary. So, yan na po. So, magot na po ang palasyo sa paratang. So, ang nag-inspect sa GAA is si Congressman Ungab, I believe, ano? So, siyang nakakita. So, ang dating presidente, nagsalita siya sa media, sinabi niyang invalid. You will all go to jail for this. So, sabi ng palasyo ngayon is walang blank items. So, alin kaya dito ang totoo? Paano nakuha ni Congressman Ungab yung ipinakita nila na may mga blank ano? So, I'm sure ang kampo ng dating Pangulo sasagot tungkol nito. Malalaman at malalaman din natin ang katotohanan. So, sabi ng palasyo is criminal act daw ito. Kung granting na fake news itong inalabas ng kampo ng mga Duterte, maniniwala ako kung talagang kakasuhan nila ano. Kasi criminal act daw eh. So kung kakasuhan nila si PRR, diba, o si Congressman Ungab, yun na yung prueba na talagang walang blank sheet. Kailan kung hindi kasuhan, I'm not sure. Baka... So, anyway, one thing is sure. Yung GAA contains maraming questionable ano. Kaya nga tinawag ito, tinagurian na most corrupt budget in history. Kasi yung Beneto, line Beto, 194 billion. Ang actual lang na beto doon is 26 billion lang. Kasi yung 100 ilan yun? 100 plus billion, 162 billion. Puro saan program, walang pundo. So, paano mo ibebeto yung walang pundo? So, useless din. Kaya nga, ulitin ko, sino yung nagsabi? Si ex-Senator Franklin Drilon na itong GAA na ito is punong-puno ng pork barrel. Kahit si dating Supreme Court Justice Antonio Carpio, sabi rin niya na grabe, punong-puno ito ng pork barrel, kaya nga magsasagawa sila, itong grupo ni Supreme Court Justice Antonio Carpio, magsasagawa sila ng malakihang rally ngayong January 31 na ang focus sa rally is para panawagan na kung pwede pang makorek yung defective na 2025 national budget na hindi siya tumutugon sa pangangailangan ng mamamayang Pilipino. According to yung Clergy for Good Governance, mga obispo, kaparian, iba't ibang sekta, self-serving budget itong 2025 national budget. ang mga politiko ang malaking pakinabang sa budget na ito. Kaya nga, yun, nire-reklamo sila. So, hintayin natin po ang response ng kampo ng Duterte tungkol dito sa pahayag ng palasyo na fake news yung sinabi nila na walang blank items sa national budget.